A very good morning to you all, class 2. Welcome to the new week. In our last week, we have completed till question number 15 of word problem of our chapter number 5, that is mixed problem. So, let us start today from question number 16. Today's class work, page number 54, and date is 06/07/2020. Let's read question number 6. A shop has 29 cycles. Okay, a shop has 29 cycles ready with them. 70 more cycles were received. Received by whom? By this shop. Then 52 cycles were sold. How many cycles are left in the shop? So, number of cycles first in the shop, this much. Number of cycles received, this much. Add these two. After that, we will subtract number of cycles sold. Then only we find out the number of cycles left in the shop. So, this is question number 16. First, we'll write number of cycles in the shop, that is 26. Then number of cycles received. Okay, how many cycles received by them? 70. Now we will add these two, number of cycles with the shop previously and number of cycles received, plus this 6, 7 plus 2, 9. Now what we have to do? Out of these 52 cycles were sold, so we have to subtract the number of cycles sold. Number of cycles sold. How many sold? 52. So just minus this now. This is the total cycles in the shop. After adding what we get, total cycles in the shop. Okay, 96. These number of cycles were sold. Number of cycles sold. Now 6 minus 2, 4, and 9 minus 5, 4. This is the number of cycles left in the shop. How many cycles are left in the shop? So 44 cycles left in the shop. So we'll write number of cycles left in the shop. Understood? After that you can write answer also, as question asks how many cycles are left in the shop. So 44 cycles are left in the shop. Understood? Now come to next question number 17. A shop had 126 kg of potatoes. Okay, out of that 7 kgs were rotten and were thrown away. Rotten means destroyed, not well. After that 96 kg were sold. How many kg of potatoes were left in the shop? So at first what we have to do, kgs of potatoes rotten and kg of potatoes sold, these two will add, means these two are out of the shop now. 7 kg were rotten, so were thrown away. 96 kg were sold. First we'll add this. After that, whatever come after adding this two, we will subtract that kg from this 126 kg what potato was there in the shop, to find out the number of kgs of potatoes left in the shop. First what you have to do, you have to take out the quantity of potatoes sold. So how many potatoes sold? 96 kg. Quantity of potatoes rotten means destroyed one. Number of quantity of potatoes rotten 7 kg. So we'll add these two to find out how many potatoes were out of the shop. 7 plus 6 13, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10. So 103 kg of tomato were out of the shop. Now what was there potatoes in the shop, we'll write that. So total potatoes in the shop previously 126 kg. Out of that potatoes sold and rotten will minus. How much we take out? This 103. So 103 kg will subtract. Now 6 minus 3 is 3, 2 minus 0 is 2, 1 minus 0 is 0. So we'll read that. Now 23 kg. Question asked us how many kg of potatoes were left in the shop. So this much potato left in the shop. Potatoes left in the shop. Okay, you can write answer also. 23 kg of potatoes were left in the shop. Okay, like this only you have to do. Come to the next question. Mary had in her desk 3 pencils, 4 rulers, 2 rubbers and 5 sharpeners. How many things were there in Mary's desk? What you have to do? You have to add these all things. Now, she took out 1 pencil, 1 rubber and 1 ruler. So you have to minus these 3 from that. What you have to do? First add these number of things in the Mary's desk. Then minus 1, 2 and 3 object took out from the Mary's desk. After minus whatever you will get, that is the answer of how many things were left in her desk. Okay, come to the next question. A farmer had 32 horses, 91 cows and 28 pigs on his farm. So a farmer has these many cattle on his farm. 11 cows and 15 pigs ran away. How many animals were left on his farm? Now, so first you have to take out the number of cattle he had on his farm. Add these 3. After that, take out the number of animals ran away. 11 cows and 15 pigs. Add these 2. Now, after adding these 3, whatever you get, you have to minus the number of animals ran away from that number. After that, you will find the how many animals left on his farm. Understood? Come to the next question. Ashok had 62 music cassettes. His friend borrows 15 cassettes from him, but returns only 11 of them. How many cassettes does Ashok have now? At first, Ashok have 62 music cassettes. His friend borrows, so minus 15, but he returned only 11. After minus 15, whatever you will get, in that you have to add only 11 plus 11 what he returned. Then how many cassettes Ashok have now, that you will get. So this chapter is over. These word problems are complete now. So what you have to do, you have to complete all these word problems as I send you the PDF also. Okay, so you have to complete this 2-3 questions from 1 to 15 also I will send if needed. From these 5 also 2 I have made for you right now. 1 more I'll do if it is required. This one or this one, any of the one I will do, and I will send you the PDF. Your work is to complete this exercise in your copy. See you tomorrow with the new chapter. Take care and bye bye.